This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I'll show how you can activate the Siren on this device. So to start, you will need to take your phone, unlock it, launch the ARLO Secure app, then, well, I need to log back in real quick and get my internet connection running. Just give me one short second here. Now I can log back in, then go into the emergency field, or well, section rather. Go into the activate Siren, swipe this thing all the way to the right. And as you could have just heard, the Siren gets activated. So that'll be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.